Good morning students. Last one model only do the sums. Now I start the model 2. 3 sides and 2 diagonals. 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Construct a quadrilateral NIC with NI equal to 4.5 centimeter, IC equal to 4.3 centimeter, NE equal to 3.5 centimeter, NC equal to 5.5 centimeter and IE equal to 5 centimeter. Also find its area. This is area. Area. Okay, now given the sums, you put in the column, using the scale and pencil, neatly want to do the work. Given is what is that given? All the one write it here. NI, IC, NE, NC, IE. So here given in which one is side, which one is diagonal. How do you find? See there. I draw a rough diagram. See there how to draw a rough diagram. First here one line. Here also one line. How to I draw? All the one listen carefully there. Next this two corner also you joined. This is one rough diagram of the quadrilateral. What is that given? NIC. Here you write in first N, first point I, C, E. NICE. NI equal to 4.5 centimeter right. Next IC equal to 4.3 centimeter. NE equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now NC equal to NC, where is there? This here one point, here one point. So they are not joined. You want to draw a line and join in the N and C point. NC equal to how much that one? 5.5 centimeter. Now IE equal to here IE, there E. IE, these 2 point also want to draw the rough diagram. Okay, what centimeter there? 5 centimeters. So these two also diagonal. So here you write in diagonal. Diagonal. Here also you write in diagonal. After only want to write in the diagonal. Understand this first rough diagram? Next I start the sums. How to do the sum? First you measure in NI equal to 4.5 centimeters. See there how to I measure there? Very carefully you see there. First 0 straightly you start in 1 point. 0 straight 1 point. Next 4.5 centimeter. 4 and 5. This is 4. 4 after next line is 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5. So 4 and 5 center for one big line is there. That is a 4.5. This 2 point also you want join. Join after what the write N. Here you write in I. First work. Next what centimeter also they are given, you write it there. 4.5 centimeter. Understand there? NI equal to 4. Remaining all the one you do in the compass. Must use the compass and do the work. Straight line after remaining all the one must use in the compass. First this one triangle you select and do the sum. First this one triangle. IC equal to 4.3 centimeter. NC equal to 5.5 centimeter. Measure compared to how much centimeter? First you measure 4.3. See very carefully. 0 straight. Keep in the press the compass. Next 4 after. 4 up to first come after 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. Small line. 4 after. You should not come in 3 there. 4 after line. Small line. See that. 4.3. This measurement you keep in the compass in I point. Press tightly. Should not touch in the pencil and cut it the arc. First arc you want to cut. Okay, next here to how much centimeter is that given? 5.5 centimeter. Again use the scale and measure in compass. 5.5 centimeter. 0, 5 first stop. Next 5 next line. Next 5 point small line is 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5. Correctly measure and do it the work. Okay, now this one n point to keep and cut it the arc. N point to keep and cut it the arc. These 2 point also coincide. Cutting the joining point is, what is the point? C. Now you join NC and IC. NC and IC you want to join. Join after you write it the length. Here you write 5.5 centimeter. Here you write in 4.3 centimeter. Right after what their work? Next triangle work. Here too they are measuring how much centimeter they are writing? 5 centimeter. First to do the rough diagram. Rough diagram must need that only means only can able to draw in the fair diagram. So here I2 what centimeter here is writing there? 5 centimeter. You measure in scale 5 centimeter. So which point to writing that one? I2 only writing. So I point to cut it the arc in 5 centimeter. First work. Next work. Here what centimeter is the writing? 3.5 centimeter. So here you write in measure in 3.5 centimeter. 0 to 3. 3 after 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5. Here you measure in 3.5. Which place to want to cut the arc? N point to keep and cut it the arc. These two arc also meeting point is, what is the point? E point. What point now? E point. Pencil to press on dot and write in E point. Now you joined in NE. Next IE. Join after. Here not have measurement point and all correctly have. So simply you join enough there. Join these two line. E point and C point you want to join. So here you write in, this is what centimeter there? 5 centimeter. Here you write in 3.5 centimeter. Next work is, what is the work? You find in the height. So find the height for which one is must need there? 1 set square. Your geometry box to 2 set square is there. Have you select in any 1 set square also you write. You take in the scale and set square. Keep in the scale here. NC line or ES line. Any line also you keep there. Okay, now I am keeping here. See there is scale. How like I am keeping there? See E and I point to want to come. You take in the keep the scale. Now set square. How to I am keep here too? You keep in means this like you keep and come. There see the length also there. How you keep the line. Next here too also you want to come in also correct. Any side also you want to start and do. Now I am here to come. So tightly keep in the scale. That set square want to coincide that one. So move and come there. C point come after. See there up C point come after. You stop the work. You stop the work. Take the scale and C point to keep in the dotted line. C point to keep in the dotted line. This is called the perpendicular line. This is called the perpendicular line. This is H1. Next scale, this side only keeping, no, the same also opposite side. See there, this side keep after here, only want to keep, should not keep there. So here keeping the scale. Tightly want to keep, use in the set square now. See there how like you keep the set square also. See there, here also centimeter values there have, there are also centimeter lines. 1, 2, 3 is showing no, so coincide this scale. Tightly keep in the scale, should not move there. N point come after you take it. N point is coming no, now see there up. Take the scale and put in the dotted line. This is what is the value? H2 value. This value you want to measure there. This value you want to measure. So how to there measure I see. Here 0 to keep there. This is what is the centimeter is there? 2.4 centimeter. What is the centimeter? 2.4 centimeter. Here this value equal to what is the value? See there? 3.1 centimeter. 3.1 centimeter. See correctly you see there 3.1 centimeter. 3 next line also coming here you writing 3.1 centimeter. Now H1 value equal to 2.4, H2 value equal to 3.1 centimeter. Now all the work complete or not check. NIC also write. Using the compass and cut it the arc centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. They are measured length and measuring length and all want right and put in the units also. Next work keep in the scale this side E line, E, I and line only want to keep in the scale and keep the set square. E point, C point come after you want to take that one. How much measurement you want to count and write there. So tightly want to keep in the scale and set square. Next this side take after this scale here only want to keep. See there here to here. Opposite side. Next that to keep and see that one of set square keep and measure the length. Okay, this work completed. All the work complete after you write in what is the value, diagonal value. This side only you select no. So you write in D equal to 5 centimeter. H1 equal to 2.4 centimeter. H2 equal to 3.1 centimeter. This is the diagonal. This side only scale you keep and measure that height and H1 and H2. So this is the diagonal D value. Next H1 value equal to 2.4 centimeter. H2 value equal to 3.1 centimeter. Right after you find in the area. Area of the quadrilateral D equal to formula 1 by 2 into D into start the bracket H1 plus H2 square units. 1 by 2 into D value equal to 5 centimeter. H1 value equal to 2.4 centimeter. H2 value equal to 3.1 centimeter. So this one you write here. Add the number 2.4 and 3.1 add and write means 5.5. So 5 centimeter into these two also add and get it the answer equal to 5.5 centimeter. So strike out the number. One number only strike out. How many 2 is there? Have 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1 for you, remaining 1 is there. So not possible for you write in point here add in the 0. 5 2s are 10 that one. So answer is 2.5. 2.5 into 5.5 multiple and write. Remove the decimal point multiple first. 25 into I remove the decimal point and multiple the number. 25 into 55. Multiple and get the answer is 1375. So here point after how many digit is there? 1 digit. Here point after how many digit? 1 digit. Totally point after must need in 2 digit. So last one's place to count. 1, 2 here keep in the point. 13.75 centimeters squared. In next you write in the construction also. Construction, see there, I send it the PDF, you will see the see the construction and write whatever they are doing, that one I am writing here. Draw a line segment NI equal to 5 centimeter with N and I is the center and draw a radii. Radii meaning is a plural form of the radius. For 2 length I am writing for, I am writing in here radii respectively and let them cut C point. Next NC and IC join. Next same N and I is the center and the radius. Cut it the arc of the radii 3.5 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively and let them cut E, join NE and IE and CE. NIC is the required quadrilateral. Next sum, the same model play PLAY, PL equal to 7 centimeter, LA equal to 6 centimeter, AY equal to 6 centimeter, PA equal to 8 centimeter and LY equal to 7 centimeter. What is that given the value? Put in the column solution given, write and one by one neatly write, pencil use and write. Okay, draw a rough diagram. First you draw a rough diagram. So what is that given in the point? First point PLAY, PLAY play. PL value equal to 7 centimeter. Write it here. PL equal to 7 centimeter. LA equal to this side you write in 6 centimeter. Next AY equal to 6 centimeter. PA not join, you join the line, the write in 8 centimeter. LY equal to 7 centimeter, write it. First this work over after all the one points right or not, centimeter right or not, check. Whatever they are given, first you write it. Next you draw the diagram. First you measure in how much centimeter they are given. PL equal to 7 centimeter. PL value equal to 7 centimeter. See there and do it correctly there. First work is what is the work? 0 to keep in the point only keep. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 straightly keep in one point. These 2 point also you join. This is what is the value? P, L, 7 centimeter. Okay, next remaining one use in the compass and do it the work. Now triangle shape, this triangle shape you select. Why this triangle shape selected? Here having 3 length also, 7 centimeter already over, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter. So this triangle shape you first you start and do it the work. First measure in 8 centimeter, 0 to press the compass and 8 centimeter up to you measure. See that correctly have or not? 8 centimeter. Okay, now 8 centimeter, where is the writing? P line only. So P point to keep in the compass and cut it the arc. Okay, now next work, this side is what centimeter is the writing? 6 centimeter. Now 0 to you measure in 6 centimeter and cut it the arc. Which point to keep in 6 centimeter? L to only start and writing. So L to keep in the compass and cut it the arc. How much centimeter there? 6 centimeter. Now these two arc also cutting point is what is the point? A point. Join LA. Join L and A. Next join P and A. Join after what they want to do there? Write in the centimeter. Here you write in 8 centimeter. Here you write in 6 centimeter. One triangle shape work is over. Next here L to what centimeter is the writing? 7 centimeter. A to how much centimeter writing? 6 centimeter. You measure 7 centimeter. Very easy, no point. So easily measure and do it the work. Which centimeter there? 7 centimeter. Measure in compass from 7 centimeter. Correctly measure and cut it the arc. Which point to keep and cut it the arc? 7 centimeter L2. So here too you cut it the arc there. Next A to how much centimeter is the writing? 6 centimeter. Measure in 6 centimeter and cut it the arc. Measure correctly in 6 centimeter and cut it the arc. Okay, this cutting point is what is the point? Y. You join. Which one first you join? L and Y join. L and Y join. Next A and Y join. Join after what the right term? What is the centimeter here? Have a 7 centimeter. Here a 6 centimeter. Now P and Y is there, no need to length. Simply you join enough. Okay. Join after. Next what they want to do? Find in the height. So use in which length using there? This length. Y PA length you select. A. 8 centimeter. This is the diagonal. PA length you keep and write there. Use in the set square. PA length to keep in the scale and use in the set square and find it the height. See there correctly, carefully listen there. You Y point there come after you take in the scale, put in the dotted line. This is a perpendicular line H1. H1 equal to how much there? 1. Find that one. H1 value equal to 0 to, see there very carefully, 0, 1 after, see there 1 after 1.1 number also showing there. 1.1234. So here to stop the work. Now H1 value equal to what is the value? 1.4 centimeter. 1.4 centimeter. Next same side keep in the scale. Here to keep and measure first the same opposite side only keep in the scale and tightly you press. Use in the set square. You measure the length. See there. A to tightly coincide that one. How will I keep the set square? You know very well. So I am going that sums. L point come after you stop the work. See there here L point is there coming. No, see there thumb finger to L point come after you stop your work. remove the scale and put in the dotted line. Okay, this line work after you put in the box. This is a perpendicular measure for you put in the box there. Height. Now what is the value there? See there 5 next small line 5.12 there over. So H2 value equal to 5.1 centimeter. Now which diagonal you select and doing that work? PA diagonal. P and A diagonal 8 centimeter. So D value equal to 8 centimeter. H1 value equal to Y and this up to you stop your work enough. You should not come here up to. H1 value equal to 1.4 centimeter. H2 value equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, now this value use and find it the area. For area of the quadrilateral equal to 1 by 2 into D into H1 plus H2. 1 by 2 into D value equal to 8. H1 value I am writing here 1.4. I am change and writing 5.4 also correct. Why then addition for only now this is the H1 value, H2 value right there. No problem. This is H2, this one H1. This is H1, H2. Wherever you write it, that one correct only. Okay, 5.1 in H1, H2 change and write. See there, here writing 5.1 for H1 value. So H1 I am already writing on that one. You write in H1. H2 value here you write in H1 value. Should not confuse there. I am symbol only change and write. H2 change and write in H1. H1 change and write in H2. That's all. So here I am already written for only writing. You write in the 2 also change and write means also correct there. 1 by 2 into 8 into 4, 6.5. Strike out one number. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 into 6.5. Multiple there. 5 4s are 20. Remaining 2. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 2 equal to 26. Point after how the 0 is no valuable. Answer is 26 centimeter. Next write the